Hello students. Before I introduce myself, let's have a small song. Okay, just listen to this. Nature, nature, you are my teacher. Hold me, scold me, but never ever hate me. Future, future, protect our future. Mend us, bend us, but never destroy us. Right? So I am G. Prasad, and today we'll be seeing something on rational numbers. But what was this song for? It's a song which actually emphasizes that nature is our first and foremost teacher. Is it not? That's why we have a bunch of numbers named after nature. So the leaves that you're seeing on the screen essentially is what? How can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, right? So the numbers which actually qualify in that regard are called as natural numbers. Natural numbers. So you can find these numbers in nature as it is. But there is something more to it, right? As every teacher, they have certain nice curious stuff hidden inside them, right? So we have something called as the rational numbers. Yes? So don't get puzzled what they are. Actually, their meaning is hidden in the name itself. So let's have a cute song for this. Chalo, ready? Okay. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be represented as a ratio. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be represented as a ratio. 0 is a hero. Whoa, ho, 0 is a hero in the numerator and a villain in the denominator. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be represented as a ratio. Okay, so what does it mean? Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented as a ratio. Now you would have learned it earlier. What is a ratio? Ratio is any time you represent numbers as A by B. Okay. But there was a certain statement that I had used. That 0 is a hero in the numerator but not in the denominator. So any other number if you have like 1 by 2, right? 3 by 4, 9 by 18. This can be simplified, right? Yes. So all these are rational numbers, even the negative ones. You can even have minus 1 by 8. That's also fine. So all these are rational numbers. However, as we said, if 0 comes in the numerator, okay, what's going to happen? Yes, it becomes a hero and it makes the final answer also as 0. However, what will happen if it comes in the denominator? So if you have say 2 by 0, now that is scary, right? Because this will turn it into infinity or what we call as not defined sometimes. Okay, it takes really monstrous value. Alright, so what we have learned today is that any set of numbers, if they can be represented as A by B, where B is not equal to 0, the denominator, this is called as the denominator, this is called as numerator. The top part is numerator, okay, and the lower part is called as denominator. Right? Now if denominator is not 0, then A by B is called as a rational number, right? A ratio which turns into rational number. Got it, guys? So we'll be finding out more such things, interesting things about rational numbers. We'll discuss them in our next class. Till then, take care and cheerios. Bye bye.